Hi, sixth grade scientists. So today we're going to start part 2 of our Keep It Cool, Make It Melt project. So today what you're going to do, you're going to take your design and you're going to build your containers. So you're going to go ahead and take the information that you used, your materials list and your picture, and you're going to go ahead and create your containers. So when you create your containers, make sure you keep in mind everything that we talked about color, about the materials and what they do. The video clip showed you a little bit about what the materials do. So if you didn't watch that yesterday, you might want to check that out today. And go ahead and build your containers and find the sunny space that you're going to use. Now you can go ahead and do this part, and then tomorrow you'll just be taking pictures and uploading. But I really would like you to take pictures after you're done so that I can put them in my gallery of work. Please don't put your name on the pictures, but I would like you to send me those pictures so that to maybe give other people ideas or just to show off the work that you've done. So then after you build your containers, you can go ahead and start this and start the experiment. So what you'll do is you'll describe the Hershey bar every 5 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to put both of them in a sunny place, and you're going to see what happens to the Hershey bar. Hopefully ideally the one that you said would melt, there's going to be enough thermal energy pulled in that it's going to help cause that Hershey bar to melt. And then the materials you chose for the other container will help to insulate it and keep that thermal energy out as long as possible. So describe the Hershey bar every 5 minutes. So you may want to put a timer on of some kind, whether it be the oven or on your phone. And every 5 minutes when that goes off, then you're going to go to and look at the Hershey bars and tell what's happening with both of them. So the one that you want to melt in 5 minutes, what happened to that? Here's some things that you could write down. You could write no change. You could write started melting, gooey looking, or very melted. So those are some things that you could write down. So after 5 minutes, then 5 minutes more, which would be 10 minutes, what happened to it? 15, 20, 25, and 30. So every 5 minutes, then you're going to take an observation and you're going to write something down. It's very important that you go and you make sure that it's every 5 minutes. Those intervals are very important in order to keep the lab accurate. So then after you're done, then you're going to answer the question, did your design do what you expected it to? Explain. So if your candy bar that was supposed to melt quickly melted at the same rate as your Stay Cool, then it didn't work the way you thought it would. Or if neither one of them melted, then you have two really good insulators and it didn't happen the way you expected. So you need to explain, why do you think it didn't happen the way you expected? Or if it did, if this one melted and this one stayed and it was just the same as it was at the beginning, explain why you think it worked out the way you thought it would. Okay, so that's the bottom part. But today, the only thing I expect you to do is I expect you to build your containers. But I did go through and tell you what to do here. So if you want to go ahead and do that part and upload it, and I really like to see pictures, then that would be okay too. All right, so I want you to start designing today. So you're going to be engineers and design your containers. All right, keep listening, keep watching, stay curious, and always keep learning. See you tomorrow.